story is Match for the Beautiful Princess. Being helpful. The concept of the story is being helpful. Children, this is the Arabian folk tales. The means the stories which narrate told by people. People told to another, another will told to another. This way, the story spread it, and then it's written. So now the new form of the stories came in the Knight and the Princess. There is lots of stories, Ali Baba Chalis Chor, and the many this type of stories you got in that Arabian folk tales. So, Match for the Beautiful Princess is the part of this Arabian folk tales. Many years ago, there was a wise king named Sultan Malakas. Sultan Malakas. He had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Mayumi. You can see in this chapter. I already given. You can see here. Don't write anything, just listen. Many years ago, there was a wise king named Sultan Malakas. He had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Mayumi. Princess was young and beautiful. When Mayumi came to age, many young princes asked for her hand in marriage. The Sultan asked them to wait for some time. You understand my story? Thumbs up. You understand, na? Okay, very good. One day, so what happened? The Sultan's daughter's name was Mayumi. She was very beautiful, and when she was young, many princes came to ask her hand for marriage. One day, the Sultan called the princess and told her that now she had come to age that she should get married. She assured her that he could try to find out the most suitable prince to be her husband. The princess agreed to get married. Princess said, okay, I will, if the person is very good. Sultan said, if the person is very good, then only I will tell you to marry her. The Sultan had three princes in mind, whom he thought were suitable for the princess. All of them were young, handsome, and brave. So three princes Sultan selected in his mind that these three princes are best for my daughter. They are handsome and young and brave. The Sultan wanted to choose the best among them for the prince's hand. He invited all the three princes to visit his palace. The princes stayed for 3 days. All the princes stayed for 3 days as the Sultan's guests. On the 4th day, the Sultan called them and said, I am going to give away my beautiful daughter in marriage. So I have invited you to my palace. The prince doesn't know why they called in the Sultan's palace. So Sultan said, I am going to give away my beautiful daughter in marriage. So I have invited you to my palace. I like all of you, but only one. Only one. I like all of you, but only one of you can marry the princess. Go. Ashwini Mali, you unmuted. Ashwini Mali, children, can you hear me properly? Right? Very good. So, I am going to give away my beautiful daughter in marriage. So, I have invited you to my palace. I like all of you, but only one of you can marry the princess. Go and come back after 1 month. What Sultan said? Go and come back. Come back after 1 month with some precious gift for the princess. What Sultan said? Go after 1 month, you come back and give a wonderful gift to the come with wonderful gift for the princess. Your gift shall decide your fortune. What gift you will carry for the princess, that will decide that you will be marry the princess or not. The prince left the sultan's palace and went back to their hometowns in search of a precious gift for the beautiful princess. All the three came back to the sultan after a month. एक महीने बाद वो सब वापस आए और वो सब गिफ्ट के साथ आए थे. They came with beautiful gifts. The sultan welcomed them all to his palace. The next day he called all the three princes. Prince, what gift have you brought for Mayumi, the most beautiful princess? The prince brought out a bag. The first prince brought out a bag, emptied it at the sultan's feet and said, "Sir, these are diamonds, emeralds, sapphires, rubies, and most precious stones. I have brought this for the princess ornaments. This is the most precious gift." So first prince, what gift? What first prince gave? First prince given he opened. Emptied मतलब खाली कर देना. Emptied. Meaning of emptied is खाली कर देना. Meaning of emptied is खाली करना. उन्होंने अपने बैग को, एक पहला प्रिंस जो था, उन्होंने अपने बैग को खाली किया और उसमें क्या थे? There was diamonds, emeralds, sapphires, rubies, and beautiful precious stones. And he smiled. He said, "These are the most precious gift." You know, children, diamond and this are the most precious gift. We all know that. So the prince thought, I bought best gift for the princess. Children, you can hear. Now, the sultan looked at the beautiful precious stone and smiled. Sultan looked at that beautiful stones and he smiled. Why he smiled? He turned to the second prince and asked. सुल्तान ने क्या किया? दूसरे प्रिंस के पास गए और asked, "What is your gift for the most beautiful princess?" The second prince placed a gun before the sultan and said, "Sir, it is the most powerful weapon. No enemy can stand before it. It can defeat the enemies and conquer their lands. It can make the princess one of the most powerful queen on the earth. I have brought this gun as a precious gift." So second prince what got? Second prince carry one gun. सेकेंड वाले प्रिंस ने क्या किया? एक गन लेके आए. जो सेकेंड वाले प्रिंस थे वो एक गन लेके आए. जो सेकेंड वाले प्रिंस थे वो एक, और उसने राजा को बोला, he said to the king that, one second, continue. The second prince placed a gun. The second prince placed a gun before the sultan and said, "Sir, it is the most powerful weapon. No enemy can stand before it. It can defeat the enemies and conquer their lands. It can make the princess one of the most powerful queen on the earth. I have brought this gun for the precious gift." Children, now you can see the picture where, see, first prince brought precious stones. Second prince brought a long gun for the princess. The sultan had a look at the weapon and again smiled, but he said nothing. Then he asked the third prince, "What precious gift have you brought for the princess?" The prince, third number prince, bowed before the sultan and said, "Sir," they bowed like this, "Sir, I am sorry, I could not bring any gift for the most beautiful princess. I remained very busy all the day. I am busy, so I not brought any gift for the beautiful princess. I had no time to search a suitable gift for the princess." The sultan was a bit angry and he asked, "Are you insulting the most beautiful princess? आप इंसल्ट कर रहे हो, कुछ गिफ्ट नहीं लाए, मैंने आपको बोला था गिफ्ट लाने के लिए और आपने कोई गिफ्ट नहीं लाया. यू आर इंसल्टिंग द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंसेस. द प्रिंस बोर्ड अगेन एंड सेड, योर हाइनेस, आई कैन नेवर थिंक ऑफ सच अ मीन थिंग. प्लीज लिसन टू मी पेशेंटली. पेशेंटली मीन्स धैर्य के साथ, विथ पेशेंस. I shall speak the truth. On my way home, I met a sick man.
मैम मैंने चैट बॉक्स में कुछ लिखा है, वो देखो ना.
You will continue this after 10-15 minutes. My class will over. Then you will go to the class. Okay, 10-15 minutes. Give me time. Okay. Please listen me patiently. The Sultan said, the prince, last prince said to the Sultan that मेरी बात आप ध्यान से सुनिए. I shall speak the truth. On my way home, I met a sick man. He was very ill and was laying on the wayside. I carried him to a doctor, got him examined and paid the doctor's fee. I bought him some medicines and nursed him for a week. The man, so what he said? He said, जे मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ. ऑन माई वे होम आई मेट अ सिक मैन. मैं जब अपने घर के रास्ते से जा रहा था तो मुझे एक बीमार आदमी मिला. आई मेट अ सिक मैन. ही वॉज वेरी इल एंड वॉज लेइंग ऑन द वे साइड. और वो रास्ते में पड़ा हुआ था. आई कैरिड हिम टू अ डॉक्टर, गॉट हिम एग्जामिन्ड एंड पेड द डॉक्टर्स फी. आई बॉट हिम सम मेडिसिन्स एंड नर्स्ड हिम फॉर अ वीक. मैंने उसके लिए थोड़े मेडिसिन लिए और उसको पूरी टाइम मैंने सेवा की. द मैन ग्रू वेल, ब्लेस्ड मी एंड वेंट हिज वे. वो आदमी ने मेरी बहुत तारीफ की, मुझे बहुत आशीर्वाद दिया और अपने रास्ते चला गया. आई बेड हिम गुड बाय एंड स्टार्टेड फॉर माई होम. जब मैं उसे बाय करके अपने रास्ते पे अगेन वापस आने लगा अपने घर की ओर, आई हैड नॉट गॉन फॉर off when I met a group of women and children. See, you can see in the picture. They were weeping and running away from their homes. सब सारी मैंने क्या देखा कि कुछ औरतें और बच्चे अपने घर से बाहर निकल के दौड़ रहे थे और रो रहे थे. They were crying and they are running. I asked them the reason for their running away. They told me that a band of robbers had attacked their village. What happened? Dacoits, you know who is dacoits? The dacoits, robbers means thieves. Thieves who stole things from the home of anyone. The robbers had attacked their village. The robber killed many of their men folk and robbed whatever they had. So they attacked on them. They killed the persons in the village and they took all the valuable things from them. Some of their young men were hiding in the jungle nearby. They could not fight the robbers to drive them away because they had no leader to guide them. So this story is told by that last prince. He said, I went to the jungle and found out the hiding young man. I recognized them, I guided them and took them to their village. We fought the robbers and dropped them away. हमने उनके साथ लड़ाई किया और उनको बाहर निकाल दिया गांव से. After that there was a lot of rehabilitation work to be done in the village. Children, rehabilitation मतलब जब कोई विपदा आती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसके बाद फिर से जब उस गांव को बसाया जाता है, उसके लिए जो काम किया जाता है, that is called rehabilitation work. Now we are doing for corona also. There are lots of doctors, nurses, police are doing lots of things. That is also called rehabilitation. So prince was busy in rehabilitation of that village which is robbed by the robbers. I helped the people to look after the sick and the wounded, the bury the dead bodies, to clean the rubbish. In this work, I lost the remaining 3 weeks. So last 3 weeks, I was busy to do this type of things. So I had no time to search for a suitable gift for the beautiful princess. The Sultan heard this and said, show me your hands. The prince held out both of his hands. The Sultan looked, you can see in the picture. Sultan looked at his hands and kissed them. He said, indeed, you have been working very hard. There are blisters on both of your hands. Blisters means घाव, घाव हो जाना. These are the mark of your labor of love for the sick and helpless fellow men. They are more precious than any other gift. The princess shall value it all her life. You are the most suitable match for her, and I give her in marriage to you only. Thus the labor of love was rewarded. So children, the prince who got precious gift, prince who got weapon, they not got princess. Who got? Who was hardworking, who was labor for the others. We must work hard, though thus the meaning of the moral of this story is we must work hard to become great. When we take pain for others, we truly show our love for them. Help those who need your help, you will become great and be loved by all. So children, why today I teach this story? Because I want to make you understand the value of help each other. There is lots of value which we should maintain to become a good person. End of the day, a good person can get all the happiness, the precious things, the money, the intelligence, the education. Nothing will give you happiness rather than helpfulness. If you help someone, they will give you blessings that will make you happy, and then only you will be the most happiest person of the world. That's why I told this story. Now you will write few. These questions I will not ask. This is very tough for you. You write these words. Assured. Write in notebook. These words. Assured. Tell something positive. Precious. Valuable. Emptied. Remove. Defeat. Win. Patient. Tolerance. Rob.
Ma'am,
Beta, start writing, then I will give you, after finish your writing, you will thumbs up. That time I will give you chance to. Rashmita Patolia, please write in chat box what you want to ask. Don't speak. Yeah, you written. Story is nice. Yeah, I know the story is very nice. Write in chat box what you want. You write this, huh?